Dynamic disks support drive mirroring. What happens if one of these mirrored drives fail? So what is drive mirroring? You have to know this. It's in kind of RAID terminology. So just be familiar with RAIDs, kind of how they work. And this, again, dynamic disks is something that would happen in disk management for drive mirroring. Drive mirroring is basically where you have one drive and it's mirrored on another drive. And the reason you would do this is to prevent data loss. So what happens? Well, and the question says, what happens if one of the mirror drives fail? Well, the system will not automatically repair the failed drive. That's not how that works. If the drive's failed, it's done. You got to replace it. And then we have the system fails until the failed drive is replaced. That's not true. It's going to continue to run because you have this mirrored backup. Next, we have the system selects an empty drive as a hot spare to replace the failed drive. That's not going to be true either. Again, you manually need to replace that failed drive, but the system will continue to function with no data loss, and that is our answer. Dynamic disks support drive mirroring, dynamic disks on Windows. What happens if one of the mirror drives fail? Well, if it fails, the system will continue to function with no data loss. But be sure to replace that drive.